guys, what's up? So today is the 9th of December and I was supposed to go to a wedding this morning, but actually we can't really get out of our house currently because of the snow is really bad, and so I wasn't able to do that, which I'm kind of upset about, but there's nothing we can do about it currently. And I think we're gonna try to get out and try to go to the nearest gas station, so we're doing that right now. We'll see you then. As you can tell, there's just a lot of snow. We probably have 6 or 7 inches. I mean, you can see there's a picnic table. It's just real bad. So right now we're actually about to go to the gas station, and we're in my brother's really old car because it's one of the only cars with 4-wheel drive. And my car has 4-wheel drive, but my tires are really bad, so we're just taking this one. And I get the back seat, so. You good, Sam?
Yeah, I'm fine.
This is the first time I've actually ridden in this car. Dang, this seat is a swivel chair. Okay, so we realized this car actually has barely any gas in it, and so my dad's filling it up right now, and then we're gonna go. So yeah. Right now we made it to the gas station, and we just got a few things, but yeah. Hey guys, it's the end of the day and I just finished up some homework, and I think I might just end the vlog pretty much soon. But one thing I did do today is I had a little shoot in the snow, so I will put those pictures here somewhere. So yeah, I didn't really do that much today, and it was kind of definitely a boring day, especially for my liking, because we just kind of stayed home and just the snow was happening. So I think tomorrow I'll have a better vlog, or the next vlog will probably be better and probably be doing more. School's canceled tomorrow, so that's great, and I think I'm just gonna chill at home. If not, I might be hanging out with my friends. We're not really sure. I might be doing a things I want for Christmas vlog, but if not, whatever. But also, I'm also thinking about making a video of stuff I got for Christmas, so we're gonna see if I'm gonna do that or not. Not there's really anybody watching to comment down below to be oh, I want that video, but you know. So, it's been good, it's been fresh, and I guess I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrated.